Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how you can change your theme between dark and light. So at the first we have to go for the settings, next pick personalization. Right now tap on the themes right here and click in this place on the color. And as you can see here we can pick light or dark theme in a very simple way. You can also change color of the windows. As you can see, the highlight right here also changed, but there's the preview how it's going to look. So the captions and the highlights on our switchers also change when we pick that color. We can enable transparency effects on our taskbar, and as you can see, that's how we can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.